today I have a whole bunch of new products that I want to test out on my face. So it's basically going to be a full face of first impressions. If you're into that, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by using this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. I've heard that it's a dupe for the Tatcha primer, and E.L.F. came out with this Poreless Putty Primer, and it's supposed to be very similar to that. I've already prepped my face with my skincare, so I've washed it, exfoliated, done serum, done lotion, and now I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Poreless Primer. I mean, just like the name suggests, it literally looks like putty. And I've actually never used the Tatcha one myself, but I've heard great things about it. So I'm just going to put this mainly in my cheeks, but just about everywhere. And now I'm going to rub in and really pack it in there. I really missed you guys. I hadn't done a video in what feels like a while. I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of the times I film multiple videos in one day. So I actually don't film for, another few weeks, and it feels like too long. Like I miss it. I actually really love editing, making videos for you guys, and it's something that I want to do more than every week. So I don't want to make any commitments and not come through. Just know that I do want to create more content. The foundation I'll be using today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and it's in the color Golden Beige. So it looks like this. This was really affordable, you guys. And by the way, all the products that I'm mentioning today that are new, that I'm testing out, are all from Walmart, so super affordable. If you know me, you know that I'm always balling on a budget, bougie on a budget, whatever you want to call it. So I always try to find good drugstore products. It says that it's tested under 7 light conditions with top smartphone models and with and without flash. And it says there's supposed to be no photo flashback, and it helps eliminate white particle reflection. Let's try this out. I'll be using a wet beauty blender, which actually is also something I'm testing out. This is a beauty blender from Real Techniques, and I had my beauty blender for a month or two, and I was ready for a new one. So what we're gonna do is, I always like shaking up the foundation. It actually has an applicator. I'm gonna just put dots kind of everywhere. Not that many, but enough to cover my whole face, because I usually just do one layer of makeup. I don't usually do any more than that. And I'm actually gonna put just a little bit on my eyelids. And now it's time to blend that out. So I applied my first layer, I blended it out. Also want to mention that I did my eyebrows off camera. I actually hadn't decided if I was gonna film yet, and I was already doing my eyebrows. For concealer, I have a few new concealers that I want to show you guys. This one was just a repurchase, and so was this one. So these were both repurchases because I actually haven't used this one in a while. This one I'm running low on, so I don't want to try these ones just because technically they wouldn't be new. So we're gonna try this one. This is the Hard Candy Under Eye Treatment, and it's apparently an instant eye fix. So it says it depuffs, brightens, smooths, primes. I do want to mention that I'm a little bit iffy about this product just because it literally only came in one color. So not sure if I'm supposed to wear this under my concealer, with concealer, without concealer. I'm gonna actually apply it with this square Real Techniques brush. It's a square foundation brush, but I kind of like it for my under eye. I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm hating this. I really just don't like the way it feels. Blend it out with the sponge because I don't know what else to do, and it looks horrible. This is a no. I'm actually gonna open up this Maybelline concealer. I got the color Sand number 20. And I also got the color 30 Honey, and I'm planning to contour with this. I've actually never contoured with a concealer. I know my best friend Sydney, if she's watching this, what's up girl? She's done my makeup. She does awesome makeup, and she usually contours with a concealer and it looks great. So I figured I'd try it. And these are, once again, affordable. This is just what the colors look like. So the bottom one is the one I'll conceal with, and the top one's the one I'll contour with. I'm just gonna start concealing. You guys, I feel like this color is a bit dark for me. Like, it's not as bright as concealers that I'm used to. It should be fine. I'm going to use this color also to just highlight my nose area, my lip, my forehead, and my chin. But once again, if it was up to me, I think I would go lighter with this concealer, because typically I like it lighter than this. Let's blend, blend, blend. Okay guys, so overall I just want to say so far I'm not really digging much. I don't like this under eye thing. I'm not a huge fan of the foundation, and once again I like this concealer, but I feel like I got the wrong shade. So this is just an epic fail, but we're gonna keep on going. I haven't set my concealer yet. So as far as powder goes, I didn't pick up any new products, so I'll just be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. First I go in and I make sure that there's no creases because I don't want to set in any creases. Then I pack the powder on. I'm not going to be baking today. I just kind of wanted to set everything in place, and I'm going to go in with the brush I kind of always use to swipe off my bake, and I'm just going to use that to wipe off any excess powder. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is start the contour process. We're going to try our concealer contour first, okay? So let's just go for it. Okay guys, I just finished putting the contour on my face. As you can see, I didn't put much. I just put some to frame my cheeks, a little bit going up my eyebrow and my upper forehead, just here to kind of snatch my nose, so I built kind of a new bridge for my nose, and then just a little bit here along my jaw. So now we are going to blend this out. Go over the contour and really just deepen it. And so I really want to highlight my upper cheeks. Most contours are just too orangey for me. Like, I need a more ashy brown one, and I think that's why that Anastasia one always works out for me, because it has that ashy tone in it. Whereas all the other tones are just too orange, too brown, too something. Now I want to brighten up some areas on my face. So I'm gonna get actually this banana color in the same contour kit, and I'm gonna use it just to brighten up certain areas, like underneath my eyes, on my upper lip, and actually just around my whole mouth. I like brightening that area. Okay, and then just here in the front part of my forehead, go down my nose and my lip. We're gonna go in with some blush, we're gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer, and we are just going to make everything look better, I hoped. I want to go in with my bronzer, and I will be using kind of this highlight fan brush. I don't know, but for some reason I really like going in with my bronzer with this brush, and I'm going to just carry that along my cheekbones. And same thing here. Now I want to use my MAC brush and just really any fluffy brush. Going in with Orgasm by NARS, putting it on the apples of my cheeks. Actually, this look is starting to come together a little bit. So the thing that I'm nervous to do is a wing liner. It's something that I've never been good at. So I said, you know what? We're gonna try it out. So I got Maybelline. This is the Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner in the color Black 110. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this turns out. Actually, I feel like liquid liner doesn't look good unless you have something going on up there. Go in with the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette. This is the Rich Caramel eye palette, and it's one that I haven't used, so technically I guess it can be a first impressions. I'm gonna prime my eyelid with Primer Plus by Bobbi Brown. This has SPF 35 on my eyelid. Is this a first impressions? Technically, I think I've used it one time before. So this video should be titled Wearing Eyeshadow for the First Time in Over 3 years, because honestly, I think that's how long it's been. Oh my gosh, this really isn't working out well. Just things under my eye are not looking good right now. We're gonna go with it and we're gonna try this out. So as a base for my eye, I'm gonna go in with Cream, the lightest shade in here, and I'm gonna just kind of use that as a base for my entire eyelid. Using this eyeshadow brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in with this nude tone right here, and that's in the color Bellini. That's gonna go just right over here. So we're gonna start it on the outer corner, and then we're gonna bring it in. This isn't gonna be some masterpiece of a look. I just want it to look decent. Last but not least, I'm going in with this color in between them. And I'm gonna go in with an angled brush, and I'm gonna just start packing that along my crease. Now we wanna go in with this color, and I'm just gonna do that right underneath my eyebrow. To blend everything out. Now that all this trial and error has occurred, the true test of trial and error is gonna be using this. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try it out and hope it works. So okay, this is just horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I'm gonna just try to salvage this, but don't copy what I said because I look like a maniac.